didn't know this.
No, put it on the couch. See it. Put it over there by her. She can see it. She has to be able to follow it.
Here, let me see.
Okay.
Oh, let me see it. No, don't say okay. Let me see it.
Fine. Can I try that, Mom?
Don't stop. I want to see if she'll jump for it. Cobra will.
A cat will. Or not.
No, guys? Really? Elijah, move, please, so they can come get it.
I got it.
There we go.
And now can I shove it back?
Just a second. Move, please.
When can I have it?
Hilarious.
Right. Here you go, bud. Thank you. Kobu.